A clinically proven way to regain control of occasional leakage issues and urges and reduce embarrassing occasional leakage. Decrease unexpected urgency. Enhance bladder tone. Support urinary tract health. Promote anti-aging effects for the bladder. It's true. You really can do something about overactive bladder, leakage and other symptoms of poor bladder control. Enjoy life again with less worry about embarrassing leaks and discomfort. Now there's a non-prescription supplement available just for women. The secret is a synergistic blend of herbal ingredients that support bladder tone and healthy urinary tract function. Experts have long known the benefits of herbal supplements for better health. Now you can take more control of urinary incontinence, UI, overactive bladder, OAB, and other symptoms. A natural supplement with a patented blend of ingredients can help reduce embarrassing leakage, decrease sudden urgency, enhance bladder tone, support urinary tract health, promote anti-aging effects for the bladder. Introducing Confitrol24 trademark with our Urix proprietary blend. Raw horsetail contains a thiaminase-like enzyme. This enzyme breaks down thiamine, vitamin B1, in the body. The horsetail used in Urix is extracted using a method that destroys this thiaminase-like effect, preventing vitamin B1 depletion. Cratebox is a specialized extract of Creativa nervala with multiple levels of standardization to ensure consistent quality and effectiveness. 3-leaf caper helps enhance the bladder tone. Lindera helps promote anti-aging effects for bladder health and aids in fighting bacteria that causes disease and urinary tract infections. Our products are supported by the clinical results. Find more solutions to your problems at www.confitrol-24.com. Have a great day.